Hey there, Escambia County teachers, and welcome to another Byte of Tech with your Student Data Systems team. Today's topic, Part 4 of our Rubric series, grading. Now, grading with your previously entered rubrics is really going to streamline your process. So let's jump right in and get started. Navigating to the correct class and the assignment your rubric is attached to, you're going to choose the student you want to start grading with. When you click their name, it's going to pull up the list view of your rubric that you've entered. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see the rest of the content. Choose by clicking the bubbles, or click on the table view. Now this is a teacher tip. The table view is easy to see. Anything you mark will turn dark blue. You can continue grading, and then your grade populates at the bottom. You can change that student's grade at any time, and it will automatically save it. Now toggle to your next student by using the toggle buttons at the top. Or, if you like, you can go back to your list view. That's up to you on how you want to grade using your rubric. Now you can also grade from the detail screen of that assignment. So clicking on your eye, you're going to go to that Grades tab, and then choose your student that you want to grade for. Again, you can grade from that list view or your table view. You choose. Make your selections, the table will darken, and then the grade will populate, and then move to your next student. And that's really how easy it is to grade with rubrics in Focus. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out our wide range of videos in our Byte of Tech series, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our new content that comes out every Tuesday. And that is a Byte of Tech.